Hey guys, this is Abhijit and welcome to another video. So 2 years ago, December 4, 2017, I upload this video and we get quite a lot view, near about 2 million view. And you guys keep asking me where you can buy this kind of projector. So there is a sale going on AliExpress. Let me show you guys. There is a big Friday sale going on till 3rd December. So if you guys are looking for some cool projector or cool electronics gadgets, you can go to aliexpress.com. They are selling it super cheap and delivery also cheap. It's free, sometimes they charge $2-3. So this is the Black Friday sale. Also they are giving 10% discount. Probably it expired by now. I don't know, but you guys can check it. So this is one of the projector. This is price was $285. Now they are selling is $128. This is a projector from BuyInTech. Its price is right now $263 USD. And if you buy this projector, you can get also 10% discount. Last month I bought this BuyInTech UFO 10. Price is right now $202. Then you can use coupon code to get another $8 to $10 discount. Now guys, let's compare the price with other e-commerce websites. Now if you go to Banggood, you will find this one BuyInTech UFO P10. It's cost you $358.39 USD, which is near about $150 more. And if you guys go to Amazon India, it will cost 27,000 rupees, near about $400. And Amazon.com, it cost you around 282 USD. And guys, I received this projector last month, but I'm a little bit busy. That's the reason I'm not able to make the review video. The review video will be come within next 2-3 days. Projector is pretty good quality and the build quality is solid. You get a remote, a charging cable, a power adapter, 5V 3 amps, a mini tripod and a user manual. So that's you get inside this box. And my first impression about this projector is awesome. The quality is dope, like it's made of metal. Above upper portion I think it's plastic, but this side is made out of metal. 4200 mAh battery. The light intensity is also good. This BuyInTech is way better than the H96P projector. So if you guys consider buying this BuyInTech projector, I will say like you will not get disappointed. So the comparison video between this projector will coming soon, and the full review of this BuyInTech projector is coming soon, as the Big Friday sale will end soon. This offer will end within 3 days, and after that if you purchase this projector it will cost you $30-40 more. So that's the reason I decided to publish the video earlier. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this video, and if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely answer every one of your question.